Hello. QuickRows builds pivot tables easily. Function number 2 includes several parameters, which can be better understood with examples. Let's create some tables using this listing with exactly 5,000 invoices. Our first step is choosing the column to be summarized by rows. Let's select the customer's column, C, to create a count of them. Like this. OK. Our table is a frequency count of invoices for each customer. Let's repeat the operation, but this time, we will totalize their amounts, column G. Perfect. Once again. But this time we will calculate the average values of the invoices and discounts for each vendor, which are the only numeric columns in the listing. Great. The following table will be a monthly totalization, column B. QuickRows will convert the dates into months automatically. OK. We can choose a different summarization, either by quarters or years. All we have to do is insert the first letter of the required period size. QuickRows will update the temporality of the date summarization in all the previous tables according with the last one. The pivot tables on the active sheet can be erased easily using the red button. When pressed, a window lets us select the initial number of the table to be erased. If we insert the plus sign, all the pivot tables in the sheet are erased. Let's open a parenthesis to delete the percentage column in the listing. We don't need it anymore. We will use function number 4. Very good. Now let's return to function number 2. We can build combined pivot tables with 2 or more columns. All we have to do is select them in the combos. At least one column must be selected for horizontal or row totalization. Let's build a table of vendors by quarter. The first step is to define the temporality for the date column. OK. Now we select the vendors columns as row summarization, and finally, the date column for column or vertical summarization. That's it. Now let's create another table combining the customers and the status columns. Perfect. Now, a third pivot table totalizing customers and products, column E. But this time, both columns will be summarized by rows. There will not be vertical summarization. OK? Great. Several slicers have been aggregated, and they link all the pivot tables in the sheet automatically. When we activate any of them, we can appreciate how all the pivot tables are updated automatically. Fantastic. If we wish, we can add another slicer. All we have to do is select it in the combo and press the Go button. There is no need to create another table. Finally, let's take a look to the QuickRows filtering capabilities. An example will serve to clarify the concept of filtration, which is a powerful tool for advanced analysis. Suppose we are only interested in the invoices containing paper items. So we insert such text as a filter and press the Go button. As simple as that. The filter has been applied to all the tables automatically, and as we can see, only paper-related items are included in the pivot table. If we press again the Go button, the filter disappears. It is also possible to use negative filters. We can apply the inverse selection, that is, exclude all the paper-related invoices. Let's verify it. Perfect. Pivot table construction with QuickRows simplifies enormously our task and offers exclusive functionalities, which increase our capabilities to analyze data. That's it. We will see you in the next tutorial.